Welcome to Luca is a Billionaire, where the only thing I invest in is your answers.
You start by confirming account and network basics. Sign into the same PSN account on both machines, then on the console you'll keep as primary enable console sharing and offline play so licenses transfer. Once done, connect both PS5s to a reliable network. Use wired Ethernet if possible for lower latency. Make sure two-factor authentication is set for the account, and update system software on each console so compatibility isn't an issue. Now you link devices and assign roles. On the second PS5, sign into the same PSN account, but do not enable console sharing there. Leave the original as primary. Pair controllers to the secondary console using USB first to ensure input works, then allow Bluetooth pairing. Next, enable remote play on both systems if you plan to stream between them. This lets you access games without license conflicts. Make sure each console's network settings allow you finish by verifying access and optimizing performance. On the secondary PS5 download or run games tied to the primary account to confirm license sharing works. If a game won't start, sign out other active sessions and retry. If you use remote play, test a session and reduce resolution or switch to a wired connection when you see stutter. One key troubleshooting tip: if you encounter license or sign-in errors, recheck which console is set as primary and sign back into PSN on both systems to refresh authorization.
Thanks for watching and please subscribe. It's the best investment you'll ever make.